1 square and h square. Now the common term in all the term is common. A square plus 1 is common in all. So n times a square plus 1. Now take the terms of h, 2ah. If we take 2ah common, 2ah, here we left with 1, 2 and so on up to n minus 1. Now terms of h square. h square की terms देखें तो here we left with 1 and here we left with 4. We can write 1 as 1 square, 4 as 2 square and so on up to n minus 1 square. Now apply the formula. N a square plus 1 upon n. H is 2 by n. 2a. Sum of n minus 1 terms of AP. N minus 1 by 2. Sum of square of n minus 1 terms. H is 2 by n. So h square is 4 by n square. Into n. Sum of square of n minus 1 terms is n minus 1, 2n minus 1 upon 6. जो भी n की टर्म्स कैंसिल हो रही है उसे हम कैंसिल करेंगे. Now the next is now limit n tends to infinity to a square plus 1 plus 2a by n. Take n common, 1 minus 1 by n. 2 by 3 n square. Take n common, 1 minus 1 by n. N common, 2 minus 1 by n. Now put the value of a. A is 0. Limit n tends to infinity. Then 1 minus 0 plus 2 by 3. 1 minus 0. 2 minus 0. 1 plus 2 by 3. 1 into 2. 2 times 1 plus 4 by 3. Take the LCM. 3 plus 4. 7. 2 into 7 by 3. 14 by 3. Now the next is integral 1 to 2 x square dx. H is b minus a, upper limit minus lower limit upon n, so 1 by n. F of x is x square. F of a square. F of a plus h, a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab, a square plus 2ah plus h square. Now f of a plus 2h, a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab, so on, f of a plus n minus 1 into h. Again the same formula, a square plus b square plus 2ab. After finding the values of f of a plus h, so on up to a plus n minus 1 into h, put this value in the given function now. Limit n tends to given formula, h is 1 by n, f of a is a square plus 2ah plus h square, a square plus 4ah plus 4h square, so on up to a square plus 2a n minus 1 into h plus n minus 1 square h square. Now a square is common in all the terms, so a square will come n times. Limit n tends to infinity, 1 by n a square. Now the terms of h, take 2ah common. After taking 2h common, here we left with 1, 2 and so on up to n minus 1. 1 plus 2 plus so on up to n minus 1. Now take the terms of h square. Taking h square common, in the first term we left with 1. We can write 1 as 1 square, 4 that is 2 square, so on up to n minus 1 square. Now apply the formulas. Limit n tends to infinity, n a square upon n to a by n. What is the value of h? 1 by n. Sum of n minus 1 terms of ap, n minus 1 by 2 plus h square is 1 by n square. Sum of square of n minus 1 terms is n minus 1, 2n minus 1 by 6. Now put the values. What is the value of a? Is 1 square, 1 by n, 1 minus 1 by n, 1 by 6n square. By taking n common, 2 minus 1 by n. Now put the limit n tends to infinity, 1 plus 1 minus 0, 1 by 6, 1 minus 0, 2 minus 0. 1 plus 1, 2 plus 2 by 6, 1 by 3. 3 into 2, 6 plus 1, 7 by 3. Next one is integral of limit minus lower limit. So 1 by n. Now find the value of f of a plus h so on. F of x is 2x square plus 1. Now f of a 2a square plus 1. F of a plus h 2a plus h whole square plus 1. Open the bracket now. A plus b whole square. A square plus b square plus 2ab plus 1. 2a square plus 1 plus 4ah plus 2h square. Now f of a plus 2h, 2 times a plus 2h square plus 1. Again a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab. 2a square plus 1, 2 into 4, 8ah, 4 into 2, 8h square. And so on up to f of a plus n minus 1 into h. F of a plus n minus 1 into h. 2 times a plus n minus 1 into h square plus 1. A square plus b square plus 2ab. 2a square plus 1 plus 4a n minus 1 into h plus 2 n minus 1 square h square. First we find the value of functions at a plus h, a plus 2h, so on up to a plus n minus 1 into h. Now put all these values in the given formula. Limit n tends to infinity, h is 1 by n, f of a 2a square plus 1 plus 2a square plus 1 plus 4ah plus 2h square plus 2a square plus 1 plus 8ah plus 8h square, so on up to 2a square plus 1, 2a square plus 1 plus 4a n minus 1 into h plus 2 n minus 1 square h square. Now 2a square plus 1 is common in all the terms. So 2a square plus 1 will come n times. Limit n tends to infinity, 1 upon n times 2a square plus 1. Now take 4ah common. By taking 4ah common, here we left with 1, 4 into 2, 8, and so on up to n minus 1. Now the terms of h square, take 2h square common. Here we left with 1, 2 into 4, 8. So 4. 4 is 2 square, so on up to n minus 1 square. Now sum of square of terms and sum of n minus 1 terms of AP का formula use करेंगे. Limit n tends to infinity, n times 2a square plus 1 upon n, 4a by n, h is 1 by n, sum of n minus 1 terms, n into n minus 1 by 2, plus 2 by n, h square, 1 upon n square. Sum of square of terms is n minus 1, 2n minus 1 upon 6. Now take n common to make the terms in form of 1 by n. Limit n tends to infinity, 2a square plus 1 plus 2a by n and 1 minus 1 by n plus 2 by 3 n square, 1 by 3 n square and 1 minus 1 by n and 2 minus 1 by n. Now put the limit n tends to infinity and value of a is 2. 2 square, 4 into 2, 8. A is 2, 2 into 2, 4. 1 minus 0, 1 by 3, 1 minus 0, 2 minus 0. 8 plus 1, 9 plus 4 plus 2 by 3. 13 plus 2 by 3. 39 plus 2. 41 by 3. Next is integral of x square minus 1 dx. अभी हमने क्वेश्चन सॉल्व किया था इंटेग्रल ऑफ x square plus 1 dx. Now x square minus 1 dx limit goes to 1 to 2. And next one is integral of x square plus 4 dx 0 to 2. हमने x square plus 1 सॉल्व किया था within the same limits. Now here x square plus 4 0 to 2. Its answer is 4 by 3 and here the answer is 32 by 3. Now the next one is integral 1 to 4 x square minus x dx. Integral 1 to 4 x square minus x dx. H is upper limit minus lower limit upon n, 3 by n. F of x is x square minus x. F of a is a square minus a. F of a plus h is a plus h whole square minus a plus h. A plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab minus a minus h. A square minus a plus 2a minus 1 into h plus h square. Now f of a plus 2h, a plus 2h whole square minus a plus 2h, a square plus b square plus 2ab minus a minus 2h, a square minus a 2 times 2a minus 1h plus 4h square. Now so on up to f of a plus n minus 1 into h. F of a plus n minus 1 into h. A plus n minus 1 into h whole square minus a plus n minus 1 into h. A square plus b square plus 2ab minus a minus n minus 1 into h. A square, take n minus 1h common, 2a minus 1 plus n minus 1 square h square. Now put all the values of function in the given formula. Limit n tends to infinity, h is 3 by n, f of a square minus a plus a square minus a plus 2a minus 1 into h plus h square plus a square minus a plus 2 times 2a minus 1 into h plus 4h square plus so on up to a square minus a plus 2a minus 1 h n minus 1 plus n minus 1 square h square.